How to watch Hulu outside United States. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So when you try to open up the official website of Hulu and try to click on this option of login, you will be getting different kinds of error. Now what we have to do is just refresh our page and wait for it to load. After that, open up your VPN and click on this option of connection. Then open up, make sure that you connect it using a US based location, and after that try to click on this option of login, and now you can see that it is opening up quite easily. Now fill your details and login. You would be able to access Hulu quite easily. Now for the VPN, you can go with the Windscribe. It is absolutely free and you won't be charged any money for using this particular VPN. So just use it, and this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.